An up-and-coming Canadian YouTube personality named Peter McKinnon has posted this. And I'll be honest, like a true person of 2023, I only read the headline and made assumptions of the content based on my already existing beliefs. If I was to watch the full video, I may have that belief system challenged. By not watching the video already supports my confirmation bias entirely. Headlines only. I'll only read the headlines only. So here's how I see the positives and the negatives for photography and social media.
Leftovers on the counter, cage at the television, and the sink is full of flowers, bathtub soaking the dishes, got a couch in the den, but we all just hang in the kitchen.
So let's start with the positive. The democratization of the medium. Social media platforms and especially smartphones have made photography more accessible to a wider audience. Many that might have never taken up photography now have a platform to share their experience from their place in the world. This helps us see the world from new and different perspectives through the eyes of people we will never meet. Overall, I believe that this makes the world a more inclusive and understanding place. Now, a negative. The overemphasis on popularity. The metrics of likes, shares, and followers are now a key motivator for a lot of photographers, especially those that dream of making it a business. A lot of us will now go after what is viral rather than what we personally find meaningful or innovative. Now, positive, rapid feedback. Photographers can quickly gauge reactions to their work and adjust based on any feedback that they receive. Or is that a negative, maybe? Oversaturation. Now everyone can produce and share content. The sheer volume of images makes it harder for individual photographers to stand out. But a positive, new opportunities. Photographers can instantly reach a global audience, collaborate with others around the world, and even monetize their craft in ways that were harder or impossible before social media. A negative, filter and AI over-reliance. Easy access to filters and editing apps can often lead to over-processed images where the originality and authenticity of an image is lost. This is also having a big effect on the mental happiness of people when it comes to their self-image, that they will never look as good as a filter makes them look. A positive, inspiration and learning. Before social media, it was very rare to get a behind-the-scenes look into anyone's photographic process or professional work on set. Now you have instant access or at least a podcast episode from almost any photographer you'd like to learn from. Now negative, the prioritization of video. Social media apps hooked us in by offering to show our still images, but now want short video content in order to get shown to the audience that you've already built. While some do stay true to the original craft, you're receiving more than just a slight push to create video content every single day. But a positive, niche communities. Whatever type of photography you're into, social media is a great place to find like-minded communities. Street photography, weddings, astro, macro, there is a place to talk about your passion and make friendships that convert into real life along the way. And finally, a negative, but also a positive, I think. Quantity over quality. While we are being trained by social media companies to upload as often as possible and to create things that keep other people on their platform so social media companies can sell more ads and make more money from the content that we're creating for them, usually without directly compensating us, forcing us to create and iterate faster isn't necessarily a bad thing. When you create more work, you get through the learning stages faster, and that means that you get to the part where you can actually forget about your gear and let your stories guide you. And that is the space where you create meaningful work for yourself and for others. So, did social media really ruin photography? While there are undeniable challenges brought about by social media, I wouldn't say that it's ruined photography. For some, the benefits and opportunities outweigh the negatives, while others might feel nostalgic for a time when photography was less influenced by social algorithms and popularity metrics. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're into wedding photography specifically, I have a free giveaway down below. It's a free wedding day shot list, email templates, a preset pack, and one other bonus as well. Check it out if you're interested.